Hi and what's up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut chickpea curry, and it's going to be super delicious. So stick around and watch or learn how to make this amazing recipe. So to get started, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and I'm going to be using very few ingredients, which you'll find in the description box down below, together with some of my other recipes. Also, I've linked some of my social handles, so go out there and check me out. I'm going to add some cooking oil in my pot. I'm used to making food in a pan, so today we are using a pot. So once my oil is hot, I'm going to add in onion, garlic, stir and let this cook until the onions are soft and the garlic is fragrant. After about 1 to 2 minutes, this is how my onion and garlic are looking, and as you can see, my garlic is starting to brown. So I'm going to add in carrots, stir in. This is a very fast recipe because I've already pre-boiled my chickpeas. So while my carrots is cooking a little bit, I'm going to be adding curry powder, garam masala, and cumin powder, and 1 seasoning cube. Seasoning cube usually contains salt, so I'll check the seasoning when I add every ingredient in the pot. Next, add tomatoes. Tomato paste. Stir in and let the tomatoes cook until mushy or cooked through. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water. Stir in. This is going to help my tomatoes to cook through. Then I'm going to cover and wait for about a minute. Once my tomatoes are ready, wow, I love the aroma in the kitchen. So this is how it's looking. As you can see, my tomatoes are cooked through and my carrots are almost cooking. So I'm going to add in some coconut cream, about 1/2 cup of coconut cream. Stir in, and wow, I'm already salivating. Once the coconut cream is combined together with the tomato sauce, I'm going to add in my chickpeas. It is as simple as that, and this is going to be so good. So chickpeas are a good source of protein, so if you're feeling like having some vegetarian or vegan meal, this is the way. This is how you have a good meal. Make sure you pre-boil the chickpeas until tender, and it will be very easy. I know most of you pre-boil your cereals and then you store them in the fridge. That is the way to go, because it is quick to have your lunch, or it is quick to make lunch or dinner. So I'm going to cover my pot, simmer on low for around 2 to 3 minutes. And also I boiled my chickpeas in salty water, so I'm first of all going to wait for the pot to come to a boil and then check the seasoning. Yeah, so this is how it's looking, and wow, just look at this. This is going to be delicious. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to check on my pot. Look how creamy my chickpeas are looking. Can't wait to have my first bites. So I'm going to season with coriander, And then I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to enjoy mine with rice, and this is going to be so delicious. If you love coconut cream in your food, this is the recipe for you, because this is looking absolutely delicious. And I love the aromatic flavor of the coconut and the curry. Oh my god, this is looking so good. Trust me, you have to try out this recipe to believe me. So I hope you try out this amazing, very cheap recipe, and you will surely enjoy each and every bite.